Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing this look one more time, but I have my new brush. I have my eyeliner brush. I had the marker last time, but y'all, it's funny because I swear if you still blink too much it'll get everywhere, but you can't really tell. It look really good though. So I'm going to be doing this look for you guys, and I hope you guys enjoy it because I was talking a lot and I had to cut a lot of stuff in this video, but you know what? It don't really matter. So let's get right into this video because I like to keep my intros like 30 seconds or it's like shorter. So let's get right into it. So I'm going to start by moisturizing my face, y'all. I'm in a good mood today. I'm off work today, so I am using my time to make videos and take some pictures just because I'm also off this weekend. So it gave me time to go and get this stuff started. And since now I'm working, I have to balance, and I have another job too, so 2 jobs, y'all. I gotta balance everything. So let me let this sit on my face. It's been a while since it's been a good day for me, but you know what? I keep it moving. That's what it's all about. But I want to abandon my channel. I want to grow my channel. So on that note, let's do eyebrows. I want to do them on camera because I was like, it don't matter. And I use I need to brush these things first. You know what? I use the dark brown powder, y'all. I still want blonde brows one day, but you know what? One day. I could pull them off, I think. Y'all, my eyebrows, they normally take a long time, but I did really good this time. I sped up the video because I was like, you know what? It wasn't that serious, but they ended up looking really good, y'all. And I filled them in, but I kind of like just added a little more to the outside just to fill them in more, to make them look more full. That's my favorite eyebrow I'm doing on my left, y'all. It's just the cutest arch. I wish the other one would be like that, but you know what? It's a bad little sister, so I was like, whatever. And now I'm doing my concealer. And that's the color Fawn. And of course, I always do good with these. My brows are like, they just have to be perfect. You know, I can't accept anything less. So, yeah. So I just finished my eyebrows, y'all. I'm trying to fix my light. I just did my eyebrows. I try to do, fill them in just like the way they are. But I added just a little bit on the extra so it feel fuller. Also went on to set my concealer on my eyes because I'm not doing eyeshadow, just the liner. Did I even say that? I think I mentioned it at the beginning, but we're doing eyeliner today, y'all. Since I have the brush, I can finally do a perfect liner with my eyes, so I'm excited. So I'm gonna go on and I already set this with my powder, so it's been drying. We are good. My brows did not take long at all. It's always good when your brows are like exactly how you want them. Why can't I wake up with just like perfect brows like this? Come on, like this is my dream. So then we're gonna get my stuff ready because I will be using my black eyeshadow still after my eyeliner. Always put eyeshadow on my eyeliner, just make it look better to me. So then we're gonna take my brush. I'm so excited because I love this liner, y'all. So I ended up speeding this video up, well, this part mainly because, y'all, this took a long time, but it looked really good. I'm so excited because, like, it's less time with the marker. To be honest, it was like 3 minutes, but like, it's still, I just wanted to make it perfect, and I have to put the powder, the eyeshadow on top of it. So I sped this up to like 4 times, y'all. I was like, I cannot watch like me. I wouldn't even want y'all to look at me do this for so long, doing the most, trying to do the most for this one eye. I can't do that to y'all. So I definitely sped it up. A lot of people should be doing that, but it turned out really good, and I like how it looked. So I think I did the second one off camera, but it was worth it. Okay, y'all. So I finished that, and I'm so excited because it looks so good. This is what I'm talking about. It looks so much better because the brush is just like a real quick swoosh. But really, the kicker is the eyeshadow. When I set it with eyeshadow and make it look so matte, this is what I'm talking about. So now it's set. We can finish the face. I'm also not doing lashes with this because I feel like it'll ruin it. So I'm going to go in with my foundation, 355. And I'm going to do my, blend this all over my face. Sometimes I want to know who came up with makeup like this. Don't take too long. We be taking too long to look too good, but you know what? It'd be worth it. I just be like, God, the process. I wish the process was shorter. I could easily make it shorter, but it wouldn't have a better outcome. That's the only thing. So when people be like, when guys be like, girls be taking too long. What do you want us coming out looking like? Now I'm gonna do my concealer. I have my Fawn and my Suede, and I'm gonna put both of these. Put both of these on my face. So y'all, now I'm done my concealer. The Suede is probably my favorite color now. It's like such a good melanin tan for my skin. Mixed with the Fawn is like, it's just perfect. And I never used that color before. So when I bought it and showed y'all the other day, that was the first time I actually used it. And it's actually become my favorite. It's so pretty. I think it matches more than the other ones. I'm telling y'all, melanin skin for the win. Come on. Okay, y'all. So now I'm going to set my concealer. It looks really good after this. Like, this looks really good. Like, I love how it turned out. Still got to give me some more powder, and I think I'm going to start setting my powder. So, well, bake it in my face, but I'll have to see if I want to do that. I already said why I don't, but you know, sometimes I'll try something new. Now I'm going to contour the outside of my face. I really feel like I like a spot with this. That's why I like it. Like, look at it up close, y'all. That's why I love it. I don't know why I was breathing in the camera. So now let me get my, there we go. So you got the dark contour. Okay, y'all, so now I'm gonna go and do my I'm doing black on my waterline. Ever since I've been doing it, I can't stop doing it. It's like the best. Excuse me blabbering. Anyways, y'all, the color, I just love doing my waterline now. Since I can finally do it without a pencil, I just use my black eyeshadow and a brush. It's perfect. And it looked good, too. It makes my eyes pop because I have really small eyes. Now I'm going in with a little light blush. I'm using my Mykonos. It's really light. Just on the cheeks. Okay, so now I'm trying to think. I don't want to really do anything else except like finish it off camera when I do my mascara, my lips, and whatnot. So let me see. Yeah, I'm gonna finish this off camera. You guys see the finish. And this is the finished look, guys. So I hope you like it. I just added a little bit of my liquid liner, which I got from BH Cosmetics, and I put it just right here. And y'all, it's so much. It's 100% matte. This stuff goes everywhere. So I had to take some off. And it ended up looking really cute when I took some of it out because it was a lot, y'all. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. The only thing I was like mad about is like what I love the liner because it's so much, it's easier to do with this, but when I look down too much, it get everywhere. So you can't even tell when I like look normal. So we're gonna keep it moving. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at I am Tatiana Green. Follow my blog, I am Tatiana. Follow my makeup page, Makeup with Tatiana, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.